Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to cook onion and eggplant sauteed. So I have my onion, ginger, garlic, and I have roasted my cumin seed in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm just going to add my onion, ginger, garlic, and I'll let them get roasted brown, and then I will add my eggplant, which is washed, clean, and cut into long wedges. Now while we cook this, we will add zero water, no water, because eggplant releases about 80% water. So we're just gonna saute and see you in a few minutes. So as you see, my onion, ginger, garlic is sauteed, and to that I'm going to add my eggplant. And to this I'm going to add little bit of salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, any kind of vegetable masala powder, and some jalapeno pepper chopped, and that's it. We're gonna cook this about 10 minutes or so until they're soft, and then ready. You can garnish with cilantro, or you can garnish with chopped green onions, whatever you like. So here is the eggplant with onion sauteed. You can put on top of it, garnish with some cilantro leaves, chopped cilantro leaves, and it's extremely tasty. So make it and try sometimes. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.